You're looking at target here this morning. It is Wednesday. It's 10:21 in the morning Eastern time. Your target is 1563.4. That's target right here off of support. So support coming in here, higher lows. It's a higher low right in here. My name is Dale Elliott. You're in the Echotraders trading room, and we'll see if it has to take out the swing high here at 58.8, which is resistance. So resistance there. This is the RTY. We'll come back to another instrument in a second. Okay, same thing on YM. This is the YM instrument here, and your target on YM. This might be a little hard to see, but it's 25,358. So it's over here, right here. And once again, we have to take out the 25,320 pullback. The target earlier today was 25,306. The market came 14 ticks above that target and drop back down into support. Once you see support, MACD is crossed to the upside, nice stair steps on up. That's your target. We call it unclaimed target. This one is claimed, so you can aim for that one again, but what if you get more? All right, this one is the NQ. We call it NASDAQ, but it's the E-mini. Let me just move this here up here. And what we had, I want to zoom in on this. You saw your target to the upside, 7850 area. I want to zoom in on what we had mentioned in our room earlier off of support. So target to the downside was 6628.5. Fooled you, right? All right, so this here becomes support. How do we know that? MACD moves to the upside, so you're up above the zero. So we have a confluence number. Is this your target? The market has reached that target and beyond. What does then beyond tell us? Intentions. Next target to the upside is 6665.25. Look left. We have this year target 6664. That's going to factor into confluence. All right. Off of your 5650, we can short. Your offside would be 2 points. How much are you looking for? 100 to 200, and then continuation. So continuation is what we look for. All right, hope that's clear. I know it's a little messy, it's a little rushed. You're looking for the MACD not to go through zero. We'll go to ES next. All right, here's the ES. It is now almost 10:30. We're going to look at crude after this. Target on ES earlier was 2749. We also had 4450 and 4550 in here. This is 4550, and it came a point and a quarter beyond that target. Exhaustion here. That's AUF exhaustion. There we go. And we had a pullback target. We called this year support. We talked about it. If you went long here, you'd be in a few bucks right now. Your target to the upside is 2749. It has to come up into past this year resistance. Okay, let's clean the chart up. We're going to show you the resistance area. It looks like this. Immediate resistance comes in there, so the pullback in here, you'll look for 4450 to hold as support. CL next. Okay, we have CL. This we call crude, right? So this will be crude. Okay, let's look at it. We're going to zoom in here. We have confluence targets to the upside. You can see what they are on the hard left-hand side, 6380 and 89. We have targets beyond that, but those are the unclaimed targets. We call them confluence targets because they're kind of close together. We're looking for a pullback that we were looking for 63.25. We got 63.26. We'll probably get a little more. We could get down into 63.09. It is now 10:30. Let's see what we get. So I'm going to zoom in on this chart. So here we go. Move to the downside. We got our 63.25. We talked about, whoops, let me just erase some of this and we'll pull this here back one notch. So here's your, here is what we're looking at right here to go along, and we'll Put that in right here on your CL. This is Wednesday. It's now almost 10:31. 6309, that holds. We get our 6389 confluence target. Those are the targets to the upside. So you have your move there. Now it's looking kind of like counter trend, isn't it? So you also have that to deal with. We'll come back and update you in a moment. Looking for your MACD cross, your targets, your confluence, and we're looking to make this one support. See if we get it. And obviously this one's resistance. Okay, we'll do a quick update. It is now 10:43, live clock running on the left-hand side here. And what we wanted to see, and we did get by chance, by golly, our MACD is stair step. Look at the stairs, nice stair step up. And our 6309 entry target became a double bottom. So you'd have no offside. No offside. And you have to just lock in a few bucks. So that market has come 36 ticks. We'd like to see 80, but you're going to lock in a few bucks. We're going to take a support area that we have mentioned off of on ES. So ES, we'll do this here as quick as possible. You can see ES has made target of 27.49. So earlier we had mentioned if you entered, adjust, here we go. If you entered at 39, that's not bad. Okay, so that would look like that. Okay, target reached. That's on the ES. So you had to wait for it. So 39 to 49 is 10 points, and each point is 50 bucks. So you can do the math. All right, here it is almost 12 o'clock. So target on YM was 25,358. You can see confluence targets beyond that if we get beyond it. And you can see off of your pullback here, the MACD confirms what we wanted to see in the first place was MACD moves above 0. All right, so from there, we get our target. Off of support, so we'll bring this here across, and we'll call this here a support area. So once again, off of this here was our target here earlier. So if you traded to support, that's fine. You trade from support, you get your next target to the upside, 6665 and 1/4. It just happened to come exactly to there. Nice stair step on the MACD, and then pull back to the downside a bit there on on the pullback. So we'll get another chance for targets further to the upside. Just pull the share back to real time so that it's not behind. Okay, so 66 1/4 is fine. We'd like 68 1/4 next. So once again, the market's putting in some higher lows, so there is a good chance that we get there. So CL has come partway. All right, partway. Now partway, this off of this entry area. All right, it doesn't. You didn't have to get in at 63.09. You might have wanted to see the walk light come on and then you get in, but the market only came 36 ticks. So out of that 36, you could take as much as $300. Not a bad win. And then off of your higher low, another higher low, you would take another 300. Well, that's okay. All right, 15 to 57 is 42 ticks. So there's more than 300 in there, but you might not get the entire thing. All right. So as long as the market is doing what it's supposed to, your target is 80 tick target up here, 80 tick. On RTY, we're going to zoom in a little bit. We have a double top here. So the resistance area is accurate. If that's resistance, it's obviously still resistance. So the market is attempting to take that out. Let's give the market a hand. Clap, clap, clap. Give them a hand. What are we looking for? resistance to give way. Our next money off area is, let's go here, is right here. So this is what we call a money off target. And the market takes a little time to get there, then it takes a little time to get there. It's easier to stay in a winning trade than to take yourself out of a winning trade and then have the market continue, and then you're soul searching yourself. How do I get back in? How do I get back in? Well, what did you get out for? Okay. All right. So we'll come back, keep you updated on NQ, RTY, and crude. Okay, so we're now at 12:26. The market has made the money off target, so part way to full target. All right, it's taking a little while, but the MACD is above zero. Price action, higher lows, right? Moving average, keeping up, not so bad. RTY should be filled maybe before NQ. Okay, there's our 63.4 right on the nose, and it is ahead of the NQ. I'll move the chart slightly to the left here. So it is now 1:34 Wednesday. Giving another little push to the upside. You can see your next resistance area coming into view. It's the green line at the top of the chart. That'll come into view too. I'll reset this here chart and we'll pull it down just a little bit and find a hand. We'll yank the thing down the hill. So there's what you're looking at. So not too bad. It was running to the downside. Most everything was. So you're one tick beyond. You are filled at 63.4 on RTY. And it's just early enough for those of you that have nice weather to head to the golf course. Okay, here we are on the NQ. It is now almost 2 o'clock, and what we have on the left-hand side was our confluence target, lower side of the confluence target here at 6674. Target complete on NQ, just CL to go.